bebre na muhu se na manno aye soche nso na cosmetics and dey me see you say je lip gloss na sohwe na mehu me sohwe am se masesa ma efe na dey aseda nkoma me see you ba kope enti na Paddy's Mother Care and Cosmetics ono nso behu na echi akwan ewo amonochrome eyekuapem mountain nso aye koyanim nso a nyame ne hene enterprise and I may ban hu se nkwala nwani abre omo kwa ko check omu schools ni na chese omo enye school enye omo nso omo enya no nso mbedo no nso wom na se wunnim na uji hu di se wenye school nso a when in chair nyame ne hene enterprise. It's all about provisions. Eya milk, biscuit, wo kivo gari, wo H&H gari ni sa gari ni nyina no. Eye nyame ne hene enterprise. Hono nso be hu na chi kwa late kuba CDA primary school in Chem hona. One eye nyame ye Joyce Fashion e bonhia. Yes, mi we fi se metro location no. Ye koya nim nso a na baby special eatery or wo eye of anko barrier. It's all about food. Eye fried rice, yam chips, indomie, bibi biara ubenya wo honom enye de bia na obedidi ofie sometimes sesemo kakra ekununum ne mpanafo no momfa ma ni mpie kakra na je se omo ntwom anum na so ombetwom anum nso a na baby special eatery ni yekoye nim nso Asanka local eni de ofie ni fie local is all about local ono no nso owo latekuba se runabout no sane kwase oko ebri down ho kakra na obehu Asanka local obi baby say with Asanka local na ye de enwo honom ye ton eye duane local e buy local dishes like fufu omutio kokonte ene ne keka ho no obenya wo Asanka local we mu na wo boa ye madwumedie ba so ma ye ntwa ye ho enum nsombra menko bebia.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV.
PACO TV. So with the journey of health, it's all about health because your health is my priority. I've just said I'm joining Swa. Name one sexy journalist, Lady Titi, in an emedi jumediation quick. Me de bremo. Na a weekend yantia sempa. Ya Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanka. Oya founder of Christo Asafo. Ono no o inventor Kantanka cars. Car na okasa no okasa park na wa park go no we go yi car otumi chels accident ba no wawu inti yema ni dem refer Africa Ghana ye shrade kese pa inti yema nebusuafo ene Ghana fo nyina yakọ papa ne de na mehwe ne pem ono kra na metwi miti ebisa ntimi ye fepa na kokko no efepa ye mani dem refer dwanya kopon emfa ne kra ensie ne ye koye ni mu nso alata road lobby group for de bia me se me mamo yaye ma ya de ne nyama pa mo de bre latte ene Ghana because me se mribi beba no Ghana fa ne nyina ye betemo nka na ye bebo maba so na ye koye ni mu nso Jida agency omo Canada nyame nso enhira mu nyina last week na mo be ye ma eye latte adults ene Ghana nyina no concerning health no ye hu sa mo dwene nipa ho nyame enhira mo na ene ye show ne so no meton safre eye expert the only health worker otwumoto untumenche any fake ono betwumoto na ma ono na ye to ne nsa a friend ba ejumedie so na ye bepe so no abebo ni din wa ma wa church baby o free kaka little profile about him sorry na yatoa yen jumedie ne so mema wa kwaba
ya enia ya odo
dodo one him say from AMK but being na latte ana where you even work they don't actually know your full name. The episode where her camera name now feed you watch a little profile about you, where you work, your marriage status, whether you're single, you're married, or what. Can't maybe then you let us know.
Yo, Medina de Patrick Okumante. Na do na from MK. Me adwuma ni wa me adwuma wo Akwantu South Municipal Health Directorate.
Okay.
Com Presby Hospital to be precise. When I made this control officer Com Presby Hospital.
Okay.
na eba no ye sub district ni mo every sub district me na me disease control officer and surveillance officer every sub district me ye obi a me ware imo ye na me ne obi a wo ho
oh no wo ho sen
me ne wo say be yere enche me ba be no ho ya
okay so your fiancé
yeah my fiancé
okay drew that stage no oh okay that's beautiful
no nyame adom so ya enche bia me invite
oh that's beautiful no ma be MC
sir
and now I'm a tram kwan am be fa so I see some who on pem ni nyama good but with the health work, you know, for how many years now why
I've been working for the past 15 years
15 years
yeah.
That mean you have experience okay
we started Juma from Asante region so Asante region we Juma was such Afram Plains
okay
okay Juma okumewu and so later we get transfer by Eastern region me wo every CCA me no Juma
okay when it comes to this health this show it's all about health.
Yeah.
We are saying health is one of the major keys say ni pebia ye pay attention to it. Into what health work idea on today's topic, I want us to discuss about causes, prevention and control of communicable communicable diseases into bracket the NCDs. So we maybe start with this non-communicable diseases. What's the meaning of it?
Yo. Nedio bio mesan adawase na mada PACO TV CEO ene adwumayefo nyina so ase se mo invite me se me kasamfa NCD so
good
na PACO TV re adwuma bebre ye de aboa ye latte okuapem ene Ghana man nyina nti na hye ne nkran so bekoso ye na edio bio nso yakonya say be kasafa NCD so esan say trending issues are for the past 10 years you know erekoso a nipa bebre eni ho na yeka NCD sa non-communicable diseases
okay
non-communicable diseases ye nyarewa ahorowa ensane
say we can't cure
ensane entumi mfimi ho mba wo ho
contagious disease.
Contagious.
Okay.
Contagious no further into communicable diseases.
Okay.
But you can say communicable just say into me
okay.
Into a group of diseases are horror mpempi you know yani enko eho ehenemo ekumnipa dodo more ekumnipa papa na esande ohia buburu ni ahokyere ene ohaw kese eto onipa so
okay
enti emu ahuru bebri na no heart attack.
That's the examples of
non-communicable diseases.
Heart attack.
Your heart related problems ni be a heart attack.
Okay.
It be a stroke, it be a cancer, it be a hypertension, it be a diabetes. Road traffic accident. Non-communicable diseases.
Okay, how is road traffic accident causes that?
Okay.
Because we are talking about accidents, right? Say car copem.
Yeah.
And our nine be fracture or something in a year. Just explain to us.
Okay. Into your call feda. If you say niama ede or yaw any uwu ebre ni pebia no. Most of the time no na ye de ni ko hospital pe. But pempi you know you in public health no your related conditions are you who say yare but a public health issue.
Okay.
A condition of public health importance. Until road traffic accident e kan ho pa e kan non-communicable disease obi no a or the accident assign obi. But look at the number of deaths if he accidents.
Okay.
More than any other disease be with me do any esiso any day.
Okay.
It's very important say you be road traffic accident as part of the non-communicable diseases. Now okwan ya efa so boy ho ban if you non-communicable diseases no so ya boy ho ban if you road traffic accident also.
Okay. Inti what the kind of examples maybe which examples of the non-communicable diseases no according to Mr. Patrick, right? Mr. Patrick or say road accident. Should I say it's the major?
Yeah, it's one of the major.
Because say diabetes, so being him said diabetes, it kills.
Yeah.
you can heart attack, it kills. But with the diseases they don't actually add it to that disease. So according to Mr. Patrick, with road accident, it's part of the non-communicable disease. Pay attention to it. What causes such diseases?
Okay, it's a member a little on the diseases of public health importance. On weekly basis, you're one back 24. I report on it across the country.
Okay.
To under surveillance now. You're from acute flaccid paralysis. AFP, polio related, your influenza-like illness, your acute watery diarrhea. Those group of conditions, and some and general ones, more diabetes, stroke, hypertension, upper respiratory tract infections. You report on it. Road traffic accident as well. Say offer these diseases of public health importance and also na yegina etumi de yeden etu anamo ehwe kwan a yebe fa so a yebetumi abo amanfo nso ho ban afisa yarewe ho apart from nia signing to say HIV no money hepatitis no money ka ho aha intino yehwe causes no yehwe ne risk factors asani about causes nti on yehwe risk factors risk factors ni omu ahoro abi you yehwe modifiable risk factors and your non modifiable risk factors.
So explain the modifiable and non.
Nti modifiable risk factors ni risk factors ahoro bi to say nia if ye aduan mu nti ye aduan dim okwan ben so na yefa didi yehwe ye aduan dim a over the years niam resesa and anyama sasampo awie.
In what ways?
Yen hwe aduan di mu yie.
Prime ben so nti na yen.
Aduan a nchene twam. Aduan we say fast food. Na CCI ya aduan na wie. Spices ne ade a yedi guye nduan mu. Isanse ye pe aduan ni hwam ene ne den atinti no. Ye gusu a yedi na srade aduan eye mojanam nam a eye mojanam ana red meat yedi ne dodo so. Na yedi nso ya yen hwe time a yedidi eduan na yedi na nadwo obi wo kran so otumi tena sia e whole day no didi
ye be kom so na sani pani ni scare
e wo musa nti no so ye be kan ho asa nti wo say sa lifestyle trends yi e kan modifiable risk factors e no che say obetumi aye hu bibi na wo dey ide wo dey asakra sani a wasetre mu no e betumi akwakofa hawa brewe e na non modifiable risk factors ne a ye dey awo nti obi wa na busua mu no owo ne nana no owo diabetes ne nana bi ana ne papa ebesi ne papa so kra no hypertension ye wo nyarwa bi a eno no wo family nim nti wo ye den a wo risks say den a wo so betimi aba bi nyi sa wo hwe wo hu yie dia wo be fi sa risk nim ana be reduce risk efe bi o ye wo ne ye de wo genetically say wo hwe obi gene mu a yebe wono no na oyobi a oso de dawo so what you say nti obi oso de dawo de wo ye den yesi ofre obolotui
are those people the obesity
nti nimu ye drum broso nti emudru a broso nti wono no sa no go say ni wait for age imbalance nti no no che say de bia no ne body no eye
go
ego
one plastic chair train
sa nti sa risk factors no etumi ye den e mane eba efe bi o so wo say
Mr. Patrick my yen try e musema
okay
me nko baby
Yo people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching. Yo people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Yo people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy, and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Mesanso mama kwa baba PACO TV live. Afiansa na ma join here na the journey of hell jumedie with ebusi ape. Hala sa di da babu sibiti. Me boss sense me ebusi ape. And you pass for him and na eno na eba with ebusi ape hin lady titi me na maji ma kunye ebusi ape dey so maya meeting no and shase papa nyame nshawati na say the major me your brempon me no you try your hono we were on the causes of this non-communicable diseases in your child. Now Mr. Patrick was talking about the
modifiable and non-modifiable.
God, so let's go on. You were on the modifiable, right? So let's
modifiable no ne obetimi ayo ho bibi ne ye bi a obetimi ayo ho bibi na tumi aboa na non-modifiable ne ye ahoro a eno no de ye de wo nti anasa obetoy nti wodi ho hwe yenye nti amfa non-modifiable bi a me kan say eye ne aye de wo if you age obia wunyi bia nsakra ba wa Apomuden nti bo say mera wo ye ereba mera wo ye ba amount mi ndie de enkekan kan ho nti e man sa na o develop eye obesity na o tumi e de nya eye cholesterol nso o ni pediem na no so put you at risk.
Yes,
e bi nso ni say apart from say wunyi no ne aye wo toy ana gene ye de wo tu mu nti obi wa genetically no owo sa gene bi woni mu sei e den obeye kese.
Okay.
And I say gene bi a enam so nti obetimi anya cancer.
Okay.
So what you say? Nti cancer no okwan etumi fa so ba na ifi ne gene mu ono no wan kofa ade a if you outside no ba ne nipadua na be ma na cancer.
See eno no woni nipadua ni
mu me ani nipadua na nkasa ne de bai.
It's serious.
Yo nti obi wa ebe wono se be ya wono yare for the daw.
So the sickle cells are different from the sickle cells are different from this it's like today the additional just expert God. So we have sickle cells, which is the SS4 and non-modified. What is the difference? Because when you say with the sickle cells for you say their age range is up to like 23 if I'm not lying.
Those are all perceived years.
Oh, okay.
But obia won ne peculiarity a otimi e de anyin obitumi nya 25 and sana sabi bibi kwa beto na ato no.
Okay.
But some on the non-modifiable risk factors in the obia ya wo no SS. What you say? Obia ya wo no SS. Obia ya wo no SS de ohwa e che say owo risk kese a nyarwa ho bitumi ahaw. Okay. No mpemo yare heart problems and a whole lot. If you were nimbo Germany ade. I feel obienso wa ya wo no ni nyini mu no. Niema agro bi toto no. Nti ebi to say malnutrition.
Okay.
Nti abofra ambotofo na orinyi. Ni nyi mu no yi.
Okay.
Nti malnutrition ama wa pape okwan bi so
onyin bi sa no
so ni pano so obenyin no obo sa fe de ababe risk factor ama say enam so nti betimi anya diabetes obetimi anya aduan related diseases bi and as hypertension obetimi anya eno so wo ho ansana efe bio dey non-modifiable ni bi no so ne say obi wa ebia ye wo no nimu no onya accident bi si what you say accident BC Emma Ebia ne ndompe bi ho kan ana bibi nti eno so odi nyiya definitely obaba den so what you say nti no modifiable risk factors ne ade a wo ye ho hwe a eyeye nti eno no wo ansa na modifiable no ebi ye wa aduan dim okwan ahwe so didi tobacco so wonum ndubone nti nsa alcohol wonum nsaden na efi onum ze friends saying cigarette afi sedentary lifestyle your friend be sedentary lifestyle I say sabe ahonya bi na wodete abrabo nti hwe mfa ho
ahonya te se
wenya ho asie nti se aduan na obedi a why wadwene say bia we da bia odidi a onum coke nti da bia obenum coke no woda ya woda de ye Oberha young men ayeba bebre na watanom friends this energy drinks also nti ababa ya de a ene na betena
addicted
why addicted to it nti sani niema ni nyina what the risk oni pedua no ene wa Apomuden no ema nyarewa agrobia non-communicable diseases bi
okay
efe bio ebi nso wa hyeda ewo nubone ankasa ni nyina nso risk factors eno nso enam so esan be cause say ubetimi ayede enya no non-communicable diseases bi efe bio apart from aduandimu no aduandimu ne be hyeda hyemu yiye ba aduandimu no ho na problem na kese na
kasafa ho
nti efe bio ubu say nyarewa horo nso tumi be hia yen wo kwan mu so what you say nti nyarewa horo no etumi be hia yen na ama ye nipadua na nkasa ho ayeden aba kwan ama nyarewa bi seisi wo meso ye so what you say eno nso modifiable risk factors ni ni nyina mu no enam so na efi aduandim ye okwan ya faso enum su okwan ya faso no mundru because self medication ni nyina tumi de non-communicable disease yi ba efi bio nia yedi anase nia yede koyemu this smoke no mo alcohol no ni nyina aka ho a causes of non-communicable diseases it may fabre
me sure kasem no me say opesa on kasafa ejoindiemo which is the way we take our food but ansa na obeka safa ho ma yentwa ye ho sema me nko bebia
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV.
Mr. Mama Kwababa PACO TV. I feel I'm joining and the journey of health Jumedi Apomuden Akwantu and I'm a somful lady Titi Mede Ebremo. When him say your health is always my priority into Friday dear hook or crook I'll be in my abakain then you be preaching health no you be WhatsApp there's a baby I would be the health and a better town because only good health my dear you can't do anything no ade yakra say ya diagnosis say you have this condition na ya show say don't go out that say and anti baby ya unza who health problem na akwa is ya the wash do because you are not yourself what do body no so but mbre in nice something unyama what I saying to Miss Ramo your health should be your concern and untina mema to me wesi was say about health nkwadia ebusia pay lady titi me the bram say kutu say ba menyo mu die ni bia yen PACO TV yen kwa na health good Mr. Patrick you call break you know now me won't say you want to emphasize on this food should I say nutrition yes food so
and nutrition
good so let's talk a little bit about it because minimobi again when dindomi krana nyono minimobi so this energy drink as you said to say obenom and the other this toffee I did toffee I black and white grevendembo tom like 5 no matter say more energy a boost too but we have side effects and we should take notice of it into Mr. Patrick Abedi we are talking about this non-communicable diseases like diseases that we can't even give it to people and you can even get it naturally. Yes, so we are here to preach about it. Please call your friend to call another friend. So we should learn because your health is my priority. So let's talk about the food and nutrition.
Okay, so as part of the causes of non-communicable diseases, and I say, Niama and Namusunti Yetuminya, Yarwa Yemfansan, I abobo subi. I be a stroke, heart attack, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, no one in Yakakamono. Ninyamono, a dream demono, a problem. God. Yemfa ye nipaduano. Enye example nti me amete we awoto yi ye nyina ye wo nnuan yedi
okay
na adenti na wodidi yembisa ye ho adenti na wodidi se uhuni nti a esese wodidi a ene nam so na obehwe ne wodini yi
okay
na ni nyina mu no ye nyina so pa ne say ye didi esan say ye pa hoden
good
nti waduan aba be ye eduru amaw aye be ma hoden
good
na mo ye hwe yen asekire mu organ ha sania over the years ye aduan di mu eresesa na kamya ye say nipa bebre na no eretwe won ho afi ye natural way of eating ho aye ne odo ha obre
good
nti waduan eye eduru maw a ema wa hoden dia ene na ese wo hwe say abiri bia mu ne akomu bia ye aduan bia no eye ade a wonim say ubenya hoden mapa afim
okay
ne dikan mbra esese wodidi nsunum tama wodididi a ansa na obeda nti se wo sore anopa na se sebe wantumi anja wonan pe ese wo say problem wo
there's a problem
ni pedua no receptive ni eje bia no na respond ma wo nti se ayese ka o man fuela na osparka ni tumi ko nti se o ka no entumi ankope ada se wo fuela asa ana se problem bi shebe bi nti adechi na se wantumi ankote afi pe ese obisa wo se ade ntina mintumi ankote afi ne wo se wo ye no ese wo ye anopa edika ese otumi hwe se wanum nsu
good
unum nsu yiye
good
nti unum nsu yiye dia ubon se enam so befuntan wo yefunu num obroni fra bibi regurgitation nti mo se ebema mfuntan no ama ti afi ado na watimi akwako yi ne a eye wasted materials a nipadua no nhia bio eno fimu pe nipadua na aye foforo
okay
esan ba be de ebe hye dwumedi foforo ase nti ne ebema na ba ne se edua ebeto yemu pe ema nkenya ebem ema ne tumi yam yiye edua bia so abedi a etumi yam yiye pe kyese anuanu ndru ene okwa ebefa so ebe yam ebe twe niema na ma no ekọ nipadua no mu ntam na wanya so mfa so nti wodidi na ne di kan aduan ko a wodi wan fa so anwesa waduan yiye aduan so ko yam na wosan enum nsu enum drinks egu so na wodi aduan yese na wonom eye ade a eye nwum egu so ya and we really for BB classification. We say fat and oil na we aduan ni mu no na classify. Na ba be BB to say lipids are a den man nipaduan so o de be adwuma. Nti when we nyina e cause cholesterol deposit. And I say ma cholesterol e da wontini ni mu. Na aba be cause okwan ahoro bi a moja no fa so a e ko nipaduan ni mu ko adwuma no. Aba be block no. Nti moja no ntumi nko yiye. So what you say? Afi ubon say ye fa BB hypoglycemia
okay
and I say hyperglycemia
good
back when I say esichiri ana moje no esichiri no aba fam and I say moje no esichiri akosoro nti wo say esan say when didi yiye na aduan ntumi anyam yiye na ade anche am ntumi anko tiefi yiye nti ama esichiri nso ada moje no na
che say be ma wo sugar na ko high
sugar level be ko high.
And I want to ask this, as nipe biara no in your system, so now kind we have natural sugar, right? Into na number ben is say sugar no edu.
Yo.
Good. I want to know when it is normal and when it's abnormal when it comes to the sugar level. Now what was?
Into say scenario no. Kamede ma oni si na fi yeko sa sugar level no.
Okay.
Into we say mbra udidi ya entumi anyam ye na ono no niam agusu ya ama level of cholesterol na kosoro a esisi wuntini no mu ni niam mu yintu. Sugar level no so ya esa se nka ade chia nipadua ntumi di yedwuma ne produce energy ma no sugar level no so ede ebe kosoro
okay
efo bo se esa se untumi enja onan na deposit fat deposit no so abani ntino ebe ma umu asase ayedu obi a ne mu yedru bia nso oye inactive nti we inactive a just say untumi exercise untumi nante wabom nti eno ba be ma weakness aba woni pedue no nti weakness no ba woni pedue no mpe bo sa fede kesemro so na ayede obesity na no so erekwanenim efe moja na eye cholesterol na ada wontini ni mu no na eba be cause blockage in your main veins and arteries ni pedue no veins any arteries no na ye okwan akese a moja ne de afrusan wo mu no na capillaries ni ye ketenkete na ye huan ni pedua honam no so nti sa nyeme esa sisi upe bo sa fe omu a wo sei eye ananse a kire me me nan ya sisiri me ntumi ye dey entre me nan efi bo sa fe uti bebe pile because adeche na won kwoti efi ye no wo ba be cheko hu ne awo ye wo nti wo sa uti pile omu anga se wani subriu kakra nti ya sa won nante kakra pe na wabre nti wo ba be start ya complain o ni nya na ye koso enye dakro ye denu asha se be boso ni ba wo fa ne normal essence o tumi ko benti nipa nyina mu na nipa dua no essence e receptive nti eje adi na ede kon ama wo ba ebe ya na fe de ekoso a efe ntumi bio bo sa fe wani sokra ba ye obisiusi o hwa ade asa wo hu ni yiye na fe ubo se afi wapo mo ede aye mmerɛw nti ubo se sa mmerɛ no wona nte kakra ho me cheche woni nti na cheche ubo se o pressure no so ye de ekoso na nyina mu no na reboa yarewa ahoro ano ewo nipadua nti mo se enam aduan so nkoa
wanya yare be
nipadua no afa so erebre
eyasamo
so ade ase nti aduan na American asam no eye ade a se ye hwe ni ye pa ebe ye aduru ene akonya kese ama yen se yebetima boye ho ban afini nyina mu nti ni nyina mu bo se wo sugar level no kosoro no e reduce from 3 4 5
okay
e kosoro pe wa bra undidi e na e friend fasting blood sugar no
okay
undidi pe na che sampa wo mojemu asichiri e kosoro na esese wo ko hospital na ko hu doctor na yedo eto check so test ahoro ye be check liver function test ye be ye kidney function test amo ni nyina mu ni e check sugar level no na ye de monitor ye hu say afia rekoso more than pe na fe ye do ato aduru so na fe o start no yes when you diabetes
okay but control with the sugar way no with the diabetes no it's one of the conditions that people are really tackling with yes e bi mo no they take it normal omega say coke na me normal you know but I know it's not about coke it's about the food and what is in us. I want to know the normal number how sugar ni be do as a undidi ya because me nyanenti say o sorry na pana undidi ya now sugar level ni 5 you are good to go into undidi ya bro so 6 7 how true is it?
Okay enti obia wo ne level a orange by your normal range e wo ho at least ancestor obro 6 wa bra undidi
okay
a signal e ma say so we more than 6 per a signal ma say sugar level I fasting blood sugar e rekosoro nti e wasa wotumi ye den o ma ona ye ntiatia na wota check it
okay
o ko double digit mu a we are diabetic patient especially we are young adult say youth
to say almost say no
okay now ko double digit mu abra undidi ye pe just why we are diabetic nti your pre-diabetic and your post-diabetics
okay
nti ni nyina mu no agise hospital ene betumi diagnose
say some ko check up god
nti say one ko hospital na anye o labs no na ye hu level a wo ene aduru esese do to supporting a wa hwini pe wa hawo
okay see yesterday nya brena you taking one condition and say you're talking about but it's not today because most of conditions need the so like the stroke, cancer, and next month is a cancer month into I think next month no so when you bebeto and saffron and ya preachy about cancer which whether the breast, the blood, the womb, the baby cancer and then we talk about it into your koyenima with this non-communicable diseases no effects ben at the my
yo enti ya hwe diabetes no and hypertension side
okay
na fe yemu say afi de wo say o sugar level akosoro yemu but okwan a wo be say afi pressure no so rekosoro no eno so enam sa pan na so isan so wonyina wo yanuanom
okay
so what else
with a blood pressure
and diabetes no wo yanuanom
okay
we brothers and sisters nti obi o diabetes bia no mostly encha na wanya blood pressure
but me won crofo bia o say oh me wo hypertension but me need diabetes.
Thank you.
How is it that possible?
A relative
e bi mo so class stroke account
sir
okay typhoid
nti no we say pressure no ba na the end of the day e be ma nipadua no akwa no aba be yemrew
okay
na efi okwan a akoma no ebo moja esese ekoba no ekwa ema obi so do wa ne de eba okran so a enko nti e ma wuro bi nti ne wo diastolic ne wo systolic
mpacho chire
nti diastolic ne ye say akoma no ahome na systolic ne say akoma no abo
tenene low blood pressure and high blood and then see a difference
akoma no bomu na asem na making
akoma ni heartbeat na asem ya ka diastolic
heartbeat no na ema related to the pressure
okay
level. Okay nti say wo systolic any diastolic no efi nti yafa systolic ne first systolic ne ye sa akoma na abo se moja no nko nipadum ne nko ye adwuma nti abo is onko no se a range from 120 to 130
okay
beats per minute per just at the end of the day no we normal range now so diastolic no so a range from 80 to 90 per next range
okay
so what I say nti 120 to 130 80 to 90 range normal what I say
yes.
But anything above 130 and anything above 90 for both systolic and diastolic pain as I said when you bound so na utua na montem na hospital na wo boa it apart from say your hypertension also your hypotension and you low BP and also yare
okay so the hypertension is the high and the hypotension is the low it's na you can low BP no high into mo
na ni nyina so e monkai
it's a slow
silent killer
okay
a silent killer na obi wo ha be 10 years no hypertension ba onim
omo do man sole for
god odaya wan sorry ndra nkwa na
yes we see some cases o make us oniti and your beto adua na okwa wako
risk factor ba kwa ewo sa non-communicable disease yun ba kwa ye socio-economic problem
and the asuadio
it is socio-economic no I say young society no mo ye woniama say normal
okay but it's not normal
it's not normal
good
it is obi akoma ekosoro na o say mapi ibomo so
o meka so nkoda
o say ye den pere what you say but it's not normal the internet clinic no
good
e den na e den say obetua na ma clinic na o ka kire won na won aboa wo so what you say it ni nyina mu no sa socially
okay
nyemen so bi wa and also yes another big risk factor
the social life
so
the lifestyle we live
okay locality religion saying that you hypertension diabetes someone obi say obi abodua
okay
obi say ade we de wa ye ho deda ade a etawo no ho what you say na ya fa no normal na yete ho risk factor kesia so when you ba ho so pe na
e dey help
nkwa na obewu nsuo owu nsuo a ye be yi no na yesiu but na at the end of the day a life is lost
god
so what you say nti eno no ewo ho nti ye hwe eba ne a okan a ne effect ana say ne nsunsanso a ede baye no bibi te say diabetes betima ma wani afira
okay
diabetes betima ma wanya chronic ulcer krankro ekura okura nkroda
okay
ntubera wo diabetes wanya kuru wo ho pe na ye problem
okay
etumi cause necrotism.
Today we are not talking about diabetes, but I learned you say the two types of diabetes.
Yeah.
What are?
Inti diabetes are who be no. Near diabetes are enam say nipedua no into me enkram. Sugars are nipedua num nem fan ye adwuma.
Is that one the type 1?
That's the type 1.
Okay.
Inti sugars de bia yedi. Aduan wo di bia sugar wo. Inti say wo no drink wo di benku ni nyina nipedua no ma nya sugar. And apart from that, so you're saying the sugar and kasa so can.
Okay.
Enti abribia mu nipedua no say na receptive nti or the nyina ye adwuma ebom. But etumi o man pompon so no ekosoro a edu ba bia wo say nipedua no tumi fa sugar no afi wo de ma no e kan ye natural no ho no e fa ye adwuma.
Okay.
So what you say? Into both cells na moja ni mu no edu ba bia say sugar no break it down entumi break it down na sugar na ka moja ni mu. Nti eno wo ho ene another type of diabetes. And ba ko so ne say pancreas nipadua no akwa ebua produce insulin emaye no ema nyitumi ebre sugar na se mo je no no pancreas na hode abafam entumi produce insulin.
Okay.
So what you say nti eno bo say eno na abribia mu nua o sa diabetes ni bi no o de ye to pan so da bia ji se o pan nti sa pan na ye insulin a na artificial one a wo de manipadua no se na be ya ebebre sugars na se ewo moje
moje so man wo pan na otumi wu. Is it true?
Obetumi nya shock ewu kra
like within a short period of time. Obetumi ewu. We are not
enu mu na etumi ma wo sa nipa no otumi nya danger bit say otumi ekọ shock mu
with a stroke.
Enu na shock a related to diabetes no.
Okay.
So what you say?
Okay.
Utumi etomum.
Oh, okay.
Utumi you unconscious. So what you say? If you nani utumi fra. Utumi fra nani. Utumi ma amputation eba. Say bia ekura atono ho a ye mie enkoda no. Bo say utumi ma ne fan wu. Sa side no utumi wu. To was a life in sa bia ni. No na mo patient ba kwa. Me hwe na mani kudu baby. Ba say na dompe no fisa side na kuru no won eba down ni nyina ewu nti na say ekwa amputate I say that's for abaso
ofuna asay
those are some of the dangers and I say how akese a ewum okay na woreka bibi ti say stroke no e no ne related to hypertension
okay
nti wa BP be kosoro pa wontu ana mo bia ma na mafem emma no sa e na etumi ma stroke nti no ubefa stages mu we na bibi ti say angina wo ha na se wakoma bo show
okay
say e baby na I sign go down ni nyina e signal say there is a form of pressure bia ni pedia no rekwan ma but into me into every man sign into one to na man hospital pe itumi buffer we ni so
okay
dia wo mu ni say mbra moja na say e di afrisane na bi kwa adwene nim na supply adwene with the nutrient adwene nim so hia na wani ba ho so na bre bia mu ne o ye no tumi ye no se moja na ntumi ankope e ma adwene ne e deficient so what you say into we say adwene ne deficient of 1 nutrient okay. 2 blood supply and 3 oxygen pe na etumi ma wo ye unconscious se wo re yade na wo gina ho re yade wasi uti ase na sa moment ni mu pressure na efi akoma ni mu na ntumi andu adwene ni mu a etumi a woni subriw nti wo tumi twahwe sa mre na say munso no wa twahwe sa mre no mre na wa twahwe na chese sa bia na moja na ntumi amfa say o benkum anasa onifa no sa bia no na obehwe most of the time no sa bia na nipa no behwe nti nyame ya adom na se nipa ben no na wo ma no so ntam gina ho a na moja na se die afrisane afa ba bia o hwe ase fire no but within some few minutes na when you be enso ni mama na nsore ngina ho no na o hwe ase no obesore na ne fa no adwudwo esan say oxygen blood any nutrient say sa bia no enya ni nyina no aye short supply na esi wanya stroke
okay
but what you say
not just when it comes to this non-communicable diseases it's even dangerous because I know you can't even find it easily say way and sometimes I will be fine too late. That's how I see it. When I'm getting scared and then now comes with the food we eat and how we eat, water we drink, how we sleep. We should take a good note of it. Me also with those things, in fan like normal. It's nothing in a mechi yes, mechi meya or because see any they need any pressing away. They need bre now what I say, but you have to go to the hospital and do checkups. Woman tell you hosama. Then ko baby.
Keep watching.
PACO.
Yo, people. I go by the name DJ Diseas and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Me sanso mama kwa baba PACO TV live. I na is come de me kakaba 7p. Opese ne die is come kume. And so maybe California. Shout outs to you. Go. Na we were talking about some effects of this non-communicable diseases. Na eno so na de yesua. Diseases nankasan ewomu bebre like it's a package all together. Na ye kasi ye one ene de yen sorry. And I'm finding so interested in the diseases we are talking about because Charlie and then when it comes to diabetes, when it comes to hypertension, when it comes to stroke, cancer. About young girl, young boy, no say when you cancer, blood cancer, any your friend leukemia, nana, God, no when you no young beautiful lady near you trying to new phone. We don't learn. We should learn. We should read. Yenti health shows like TT health shows, they are Apomuden, Akwantu, which is the journey of health. Munti, yeah, the journey need the other bravo. Me did this by this time, you'll be like because you are learning. then you preach to others. Unya link in so then you share, you go on our pages like the TikTok, the YouTube, the Facebook. As I say, that's just a mutie. Ni enya chade na ebe fese ye benya ye 70s, 80s, 90s, 100. Not just say ye umponi a ese Lazarus no. Ana Lazarus we.
Yes, madam.
With the diabetes, no, I really love diabetes. Because I love diabetes, and as I'm to diabetes, I want to learn more about it. I learn say with the diabetes, sometimes you feel ninsem and I won't. That is a dissection. If I'm mistaken.
So you have gestational related.
Good. With that one too, how is it from the pregnancy or something? Because we will be also we happen on your diabetes. Yeah. So how does that happen?
So when it comes to pregnancy and a pregnancy related risk and diabetes and hypertension
okay.
You know, intina ubia unyinsan and so the tenefi.
Go to the hospital.
Now unim say if you nyinsan we mu na menya diabetes and nyinsan we na menya hypertension.
Okay.
Nti wo say unyinsan a pe na wama midwife or clinic wo wate na wa shase ereshow. Nti ni nyire mu no wo unyinsan a utumi nya diabetes na unyinsan so utumi nya hypertension. But any pregnancy related diabetes and pregnancy related hypertension.
So we will talk about that on a different show. Okay, so with this non-communicable diseases, no, yes, the meaning, the signs and symptoms, the causes and the effect. Mr. Patrick, how can we prevent and control this disease?
Okay, into effect, no, and then I was here. I'm saying, Memfa kakranka ho. Na fi yanko prevention.
Okay.
Prevention also, and what maybe nya time na ya can pa. By effect, no, you have to say when you have diabetes, when you have hypertension.
Okay.
Madam, yes, we are seeing so we be nya we fi yare.
Good.
Na sa when yare ya ahoden so mfa so. Wo ahoden e sa o cherish yi.
Good.
Na to me bo ho ban.
Good.
Na abribia mu nya ahoden na ye daada de ye. Enti no say yehwe okwan a wo be fa so na wa yare na abribia mu wo di sika e wo ho eretemduru. Enduru so no mo so wo hyeda hu change bia na say wo say eye effect kese a e de stress e beto finance so. Nti say wo ni edwuma bia e ma sika ubenya eduru ya to daada de a na say ebedu ba bi no ubejaja hwama owu nso abefa akọ nti owu no ye last resort a eno de effect kese a e wo ho no
bebu so bi o mu ntem de ho mu da na sika saya no mo say wo ho
na yare no so ba wo so a e ma wo quality of life e reduce.
Good.
Nti sebe ya hwe wa ho fa wo de to yi a na sebe nyame fa samba wonya diabetes a ebedu ba bia
aso bi go
obi na mo ho abaya fefe fa wo gina onan so na wonya diabetes ma senia wani je utumi tu anamo a utumi ko ani mu no utumi ma wo nya sa ni je no into quality of life better film efe bi o so be won say at the end of the day impact the be ma family obi a onam ho bia oni sika kakra odita aduadi esa nsa wo ye necessity say abribia mo no so be support o
brother fono no
sa ebedu ba bi na ohuna ye den afono no eno so ebetu ebedu ba bi no we say society na kasa ko beto ajeje mu nti socially no ma manfo nka wo mben wakoyo yarefo nti de bia no o te fa akwa at the end of the day ma wani nje efe so resources a wo de hwe ho wo say limited nti onya niema obetimi ya hwe ni nyina ye effect ahoro a e ba oso a e fa enije mbreo
na mo maintain nka ye be call with the prevention and control of that disease because mbre no ya abeng into my the prevention and how to control such diseases
into ebe hia say obia wotie ene e wo PACO TV obetie okwan ahoro a betimi afa so abo ho ma afisa enyarewa ahoro a ensani ho.
Okay.
Yaka non-communicable diseases are yaboboso, diabetes, hypertension, stroke, cancer, no money yaka ho.
Also.
Ni edikan yaka eduane di ho asem. Mo me yehwe eduane di mu yi. Nduan a fast food. Enye nduan a ye de ho to so daada edi. So what you say? Nti bibi ti say indomie. Ense se be ye eduan a de bia na wo so wudi. Nti obi wo anu me bia odi indomie. Wo de create problem ama wo.
Yes.
Wouldn't win neck, but I won't soon so started by Ubenu who said Udin. Yanka send indomie, fast food.
Too much of everything is bad.
Into that could be a okwa binti utu kwan uba mantem efe uba no akonye anya awori ye aduan kakra wa ye ndomi with the vegetables egusu bebre.
Do you know girls me de bia me de fa ho girls na ye o ma banan kansa one to ndomi ama o mo awondo wo
eno akoye ndomi guess
God into Mr. Ramo watem na man ntodwa
na ka indomie nso nko a enkoya se bia mere bo wa oton indomie achi da bi enya sal American nemu American in a way say aduan wudi no ese ohwe aduan ye ndi natural foods ye natural foods a ye wo atosode a ye di ese wudi atosode vegetables ye di ye aduan more na ye di na ye jai spices a ewo rubber mu a ye di ye aduan eno so ebue eye ho kwan e ma risk factors no ekosoro e ma nipadua no eye mroma yare way to me better so efe bio ye hwe ye exercise exercise ye ntiretere apom ye te bepo so so ye tena asema wo fi mepo na asemu e be fro bepo no e be ye exercise na wo akọ na ye te bepo no ye ntere yampom
ye be da kra
it exercise latte ye tumi ma ye ho mene so na ye tumi eteretere yampom na ye boy ho ban afi eye sai harwa e san say the more now we exercise no Emma, wo stored energies na cholesterol. Your high density lipoprotein, ne low density lipoprotein. Na niema yare pa ya low density lipoprotein no. Esa say ne break it down tem. Exercise na ba, na heat no ba ni pedu ni ma. Ehyew na ye energy ama. Na wasa nya hoden fofo e dia ye. Yenum nsu.
Okay.
Ensu so no mo nkire say, nsu kwa mo nde wo ansa na wanum nsu. Yenum nsu a, ye make sure say benum nsu a e wo normal temperature. Na e benum nsu enwo mra ye didi ne enum nsu e bad habit wo yesa e koso indigestion nti say wo didi wie na ma ho mre kakra be 30 minutes 45 minutes ansa na wanum nsu nti no say wonum say wo obi a wo didi a wonum nsu fra ende num nsu kakra ansa na mre na du say wo kwako didi say na be ya wo didi a nsu komre nde wo eduanum eno so beboa ama bribia mu wa de watumi akonim na didi
okay yesa Santiago politically abijini so Santiago the advice we do wafa na mean srawate papa to aso
efe tobacco no yes cigarette we cocaine no ni ade yenhwe na yenfa nsi isa say okwan a yen youth ene what fa so enya sa non-communicable diseases what the kidney problems reba what the liver problems reba what the heart problems 22-year-old boy when you're holy heart
what mean your cases name
holy heart and it is just very, very pathetic say at a young age now who are holy heart just imagine at the end of the day even the kidney problems reba the kidney resay
young people
liver and also and a wu ni pedunum zoom lion it is say zoom lion to mean sonny in sufi and how we feel pedunum so mau ema moja no enya nsupa bo se moja no nsu boni nyina ba ko moja no na fa asase ma na obro se
you funu shek 9 tata
ti yen hwe tobacco use ye reduce alcohol yen ka se alcohol ye nyina ye nom bi na mu ye make sure se be limit the rate ayenom alcohol se na abribi mu ye betumi body no betumi use ne wo nipaduanum anse na bi be kwa akom efe bio yen hwe yen dam yiye bebre na esan adwumenti bebre nda esan sikanti ade a ye kan se ubenya sika ni nyina awie na sabe ubehwere wo nkwa na mfa so be na onya se yetumi tena se awode mu na bra ya bra no yetumi edi ho ndobae no na yetumi edi wa asase so kwa ya nyame bo anti se onyamre da nti work and rest in between na nya good revitalization na wetumi
now system no
nya ya na fa abrabo pressure how you hu bebre adenti na esa odi abrabom pressure be ha ho na at the end of the day ena so be ma physical health and psychological well-being no so aye diminished na ena so be ma pressure aba also nti hwe se obe manage some of these pressures aware mu yastitremu yen yonku fam efe yen take yen spiritual well-being also very important because the more na you thinking about the physical well-being no spiritually and also come on my unya whole wholesomeness health man as a wellness ni nyina mu so yen hwe yen social well-being yen ayon yonku mu asetena afi yen ma yen na yen tietia e hospital na abribie mu yen check up na ye fa hwe ye nipaduam enu nti nyame adom yen clinic wo ho lateral lobby group ene Dr. Damemo latempeyfo aboama nyema ye de be check up bebre wo ho yesan ye check up yi afi bia ye bi ma latefo ni nyina se ye de be po latefo ho ban na ye be siw sa non-communicable diseases ano se na be ya ye betumi
Mr. Patrick ye that's papa and they were educating a lot because ye ka say ye kasa ene me nyini say be sorry because me say we need your health. Don't worry, we will work together, okay? You better also we preach about this health. Na breno aye be enche ne di dwumedie no eba be esi amamiji di say we sua ade na omo boy echi bi ne nyame ye Joyce fashion. When it comes to clothing, it's all about nyame ye Joyce fashion. Obehu na echi kwa late Kubasi DA Primary School in Chemhwa na ekoye ni ma Paddy's Mother Care and Cosmetics. It's all about mother care. Mother care is all about babies. They need a corner diapers, need a corner powders, need a corner oil. Aha, what? Na for this Paddy's Mother Care. Na si yesu abufre ni ma. On se no ma mu hu yensi o ba baby girl na chale. No ho fe. No ho fe. No ho fe. No ho fe. Awo kra bedo wo kon. Ni nyina aye ni product ni nti a ge papa no ncho fake. So what I say, ni e corner cosmetics no so a mu hu na yere na. Na mo hwunse na ye twi na nu kaka na ma hye ni uniform as all ha enya ware na wa ware anka se more like it's all about Paddy's Mother Care and Cosmetics. Example, my lips echo but still a blanket mamo na ekoye ni mu nso anyame ne hene enterprise. It's all about provisions. Mumbai ba ko school ye mesira mo ntomo mo no man koye memma stem na yare ewo honom Mate into Mr. Mumfo Ninche, Yamene Hene Enterprise, and also when you quine our latte Kubasi DA Primary School in Chemoha. Na baby special eatery. And I'm Mr. Patrick Kakasa for fast food. But you be bad bet no. Mr. Mudi kakra no di fie kakra na chese health no a balance. Mo be hu na chi kwa of anko barrier auto Indomie, fried chips, fried yam, and nyama bia de enye de bia. Mr. Patrick de bia na be di kwan susa. Sometimes you despise na kakra matter say am fan che aha. Ni ekoye ni so asanka local eno de na Mr. Patrick can be local. Ye de kwan susa na de kontomre ni ye de dawa prekese ni nyama ni de friend benya ahoden no do mu anoma bra for na baby special crati na as memma no ya mama ye easy sometimes mo kakakra masa say aha ni ye di dwumedie ni besi e de na woka ema amansa yo mo hwe so pese wonchi obi a ye na short and brief e say yen time no aso
yo me das na yen time aso die mese say abribia mu obi a behwe PACO TV na eye Apomuden mu eye dwumadi watumi TV na so de tunhofo na watu anamo enyina mu na mechia me kromu eye me adwumayefo awo late health center me ma wonyina amo ene adwuma pa woye wonko so no nso kronum na wonbo a Apomuden afemu eye late lobby group mechia mpanyin eye chairman papa Akwantu bossman ene vice Mr. Asante ene mu mpanyin nyina mechechia won Yida Foundation yema me ma reverend ene ne mpanyin wonyina mechia won da wase ene boy a woso yase abriba mu lateral group health committee adwuma yeye no woso yase ne de ba ni nyina mu na meka won so say eye eba Apomuden afemu a ginya me health consultant so ho
okay
yema consultancy care ye boa home based care okay enti efa o pesa utu o ye health education vaccination health screening open one-on-one ye beba ni aba be hwe gina me health consult
okay
office wo Kubasi markets oba na ofre me na me CEO oba na ofre me na na mabebo na ye tu hwana mo at a very low cost na onso hu person a general body scan if I only pay you person of your heart liver function testing okay health consult
ni location away
Kubasi market
Kubasi awana wo ye the founder
okay and Gina me enterprise so you ton prepaid phones bibia person to be
Mr. Patrick we to your phone PACO TV am na phone we to your car we dey DNA so we miss you we are what I say God
we have prepaid na say the health cost no
na mo prepaid we to 20 guys say about 20 pesos
tax
that will be so better do one day cry
tax so na saying trend the health cost no say your income companies are yes you the businesses and kakaka nti say obi te company na say auto prepaid a just our license if ECG auto prepaid nti all auto prepaid no one mobile money for no one hwe no njai is say enche bia tax force e beba won so nti better prepaid or accredited prepaid vendor nche
say Mr. Patrick venue god enti I has say ni yedi djumedi ni base me nso me di nchi akese bema obi biara onya abre e share me CEO the one and only Mr. Benjamin Asamoah aka and o ma me say o ma me nickname me say aka the big eyes and the sexy eyes aha now for the njaka so come Santiago mindset so and that's why I call no kwa nim na odwene ho and California me one and only lovely dark sweet boy na me sure mo nyina da sen na ye behia mom bye bye.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
Obi benya wa na efi yade adofo ne ebusia da po wa na efi yade impo so wo kenyin so ho ba flower na efi yade kroya enti na midi program awon so amatu ni din Apomuden Akwantu mitremu a the journey of health mede bremo wasanju mediemu ye besuanyama bebre ebi no yen psychological condition mitrema our mental health well-being ye besansuasia ye medical condition ye physical aspect nyama ye be ya edi impuntu bebre ye nipedia ene ya Apomuden wasanju mediemu nso ye betun safre ekukudam expert people learned people send ye be ya ye ne omo besi nkondwa ye no matena se ehia ade no matre ye nyama ye be ya ebeboa ye nipadua no ho na ba kokora eye mede ye sex life which so because our mental health is stable na physical aspect is stronger when sex is so sweet you know amazing was ajuma die so enye de bia na ye be studio so eto de bia ye be ko mountain so ye be ko efiefi mu market in sorry hospitals any baby biara siame ye bititi e wa PACO TV efiada na efiede biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. ni yanchwe nkomo ni ye hu aduro se wo pese won sponsor program we ya e ma ni iya wodadwene se wo ya market seller ni se wo ya ejuma of pharmacy se wo ya ejuma of hospital doctors for lawyers for local companies for any biaye bebre ejuma ahu bebre you can sponsor this program send ye be ya ye bedru echu makra mu hia me abrenya abrebia medamase